What's up, everybody? So I promised I would make a video, make one once I could start driving. So it's been a few days. I've been driving for like 5-10 minutes a day, so I get used to driving again after that surgery I had. And yeah, so this is pretty much how it sounds inside. So let me just get some road first. There you go. And I'm not flooring it or anything. It's just driving slowly. Let's see. So I'm not sure if you hear any pops, but yeah, it's even nicer in the winter. So I had a brain surgery in like mid-September, so I didn't drive since then until like November 15. I started driving, and but I love the sound even more because now it's winter and the exhaust is actually louder. Usually winter time the RPM is actually higher and it sounds nicer. And it's less windy most of the time in winter, so you get to hear that full sound around you. In summer, it's like the wind carries away the sound. But yeah, this is just driving. No paddle shifters, nothing. Is driving on D, and also sport mode is on. So it's like whenever I take off my feet off the gas, then it just makes pops. And it sounds pretty loud on the inside. And yeah, that's about it for the inside. But if I do, and let me switch it to a paddle shifter so you guys can see what it sounds like when you're using paddle shifters. Yeah, I'll use it now. I'm on a red light, so patience. Yeah, right now we're on paddle shifters on the steering wheel, and yeah, you should hear it, something at least. You might hear it even louder. I guess it's the RPM that's higher on paddle shifters whenever you guys shift it on your own. But so far, no issues with anything. Was a resonator delete and a rear muffler, the two mufflers delete. That's all. Yeah, I was just alert for the cops. So let me see that green light again, then I'll just kind of take off, I guess. And that'll be the last one. So, and I'll make more videos added to this. I'll make it combined. I'll make a cold start again. I'll make a short rev video again, and I'll make a video from the outside, like driving off. And yeah, and I'll put it into one video, and then I'll add it up on the channel. Hope you guys like that one. So I'll see you last one. Yeah. took off, that's why. This is fun. Yeah, I'm dropping off the UPS box. I can never get tired of this. And then downshifting. There you go. Alright, well, I'll post this video since it's a long one. I guess the next video I'll be posting will be on driving exterior. Well, I'll record it. I'll have somebody record it while I drive it, and cold start and just a few reps. That'll be the next video. So stay tuned, subscribe and like if you haven't already. But yeah, thanks for the support in advance. Thanks for watching.